About 4 years ago, I put out a video on kitchen knives made in the USA, and a lot has changed since then. We've done a lot of new research, added a bunch of new brands to the directory, and today I want to do a full update. I'm going to cover 10 brands that are still making kitchen knives here. Some have been around for over 100 years, and others are newer artisan makers that are making really high quality knives all right here in the USA. And make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I will also be calling out some really popular brands in the knives industry that I think a lot of folks typically associate with being a very American brand, but they actually aren't doing a lot of their manufacturing here. As always, this video is really just the highlights. We have all of our research on allamerican.org, which I'll put a link to in the description below if you want more details, sources, and the complete list of every single brand that we could find that's making kitchen knives in the US. Now, before we get into these brands, I want to spend a minute talking about materials because it's really important when it comes to the quality of your kitchen knives. Now, there's really two main types of steel that you'll run into when you're searching for kitchen knives. There's stainless steel, which is more rust resistant and lower maintenance, and you'll also see a lot of carbon steel varieties which hold a sharper edge but need a little bit more ongoing care. And where that steel comes from definitely matters. China is the largest global producer of steel. There's been a lot of studies that show that US steel is significantly stronger than Chinese steel. So if you want a really high quality kitchen knife, getting something that is actually sourcing their raw materials from US suppliers is really important. Now, there's obviously a lot of other global producers of steel, like Swedish, German, some other European countries. Japanese steel is also really popular in kitchen knives. And what you really want to look for here in order to determine what country that steel is coming from is just by looking at the specific name of the steel, which will often give you a good hint as to where it's coming from. For example, you might see Nitro V stainless steel in some knives that you're looking at. There's actually a big manufacturing footprint in New Jersey for that type of steel, but it's also produced in some other places. But some good leading indicators there for understanding where that steel is coming from if the brand is not super obvious about where they're sourcing their steel on their site. And of course, you can always just contact them and ask them. And of course, the language that they use is also a decent indicator as well. So stuff like assembled in the USA and even sometimes handcrafted in the USA, and not saying explicitly 100% made in the USA, can be a giveaway that they are using some raw materials from other locations. So if that's important to you and you want to find out more, definitely contact the brand and understand where they're sourcing a lot of their raw materials if they're not upfront about that on their site. All right, with those notes out of the way, let's get into these great American-made kitchen knives. First up is New West Knife Works. New West Knife Works is based in Victor, Idaho, and they make some really high-quality chef knives. Their G Fusion line is definitely the most popular. They have sizes for everything from 6 inches to 12 inches, and everything is really high end. So if you're looking for a more premium option and definitely a long-term investment for your kitchen, New West Knife Works is a really good option. Next up is Montana Knife Company. Montana Knife Company is out of Frenchtown, Montana, and was founded by master bladesmith Josh Smith. Now, they also make a lot of pocket knives and kind of bushcrafting knives as well, but their culinary line is really great too, and they're really built and designed for edge retention. I'd look at these folks if you're looking for something that handles larger meat cuts, but they also just have a lot of great knives for everyday use as well. Next up is Buck Knives. Buck Knives has been around for over 100 years, and they're based in Post Falls, Idaho. They make heat-treated stainless steel knives that are really built for daily use and have solid edge retention. Now, Buck Knives is another brand that's also pretty well known for their pocket knives, but again, culinary stuff is really solid as well, and definitely at a more accessible price point. Next up is Rada Cutlery. Rada has been manufacturing knives in Waverly, Idaho since 1948. They're one of the more affordable American-made options on this list. They sell a lot of starter knife kits, knife block sets, and things like that, and it's actually the knives that I use in my kitchen. Here's an example of their chef knife. You know, they're not the most high-end knives in the world, but they're definitely solid for everyday use. And for me personally, this is really all I need in my kitchen. Next up is R. Murphy. R. Murphy's based in Southbridge, Massachusetts, and has been around since 1850. R. Murphy focuses on specialty knives, so think things like oyster knives, bar knives, dough cutters, and things like that. I actually have a couple of their oyster shucking knives in my kitchen. I actually found these when I was on a road trip up in New Hampshire a couple of years ago, and obviously we were eating some oysters when we were up there, so I picked up a couple of these guys, but really high quality stuff. If you're looking for more specialty knives to add to your collection, R. Murphy has a lot to choose from. Next up is Chelsea Miller Knives. Chelsea Miller Knives is based in New York City and takes a pretty unique approach. They work with a lot of reclaimed materials, combining metallurgy and woodworking to make some really cool knives that honestly don't look like anything else out there. Now, these are definitely in the premium segment, but if you want some knives that are really high performance and also going to stand out a little bit in the kitchen, Chelsea Miller is definitely worth a look. Next up is Steelport Knife Co. Steelport's based in Portland, Oregon, and got started in 2020. They use a really high quality carbon steel in all of their knives, and for their handles, they actually use all locally sourced maple in Oregon. Everything goes through a 133-step production process, and their catalog isn't that big. It's a pretty narrow line of stuff that you can choose from, but what they do make, they make really well. Next up is Henry Hyde Handmade Knives. Henry Hyde is based in Baltimore, Maryland, and has a really limited production process. We're talking one knife at a time. So each knife is truly really unique, and he also does a lot of custom orders and sharpening services, so if you want something a little bit more bespoke, definitely check out these folks. Next up is Town Cutler. Town Cutler is based in Reno, Nevada, and was founded in 2011 by Galen Garrettson, a former chef out of San Francisco. They use Nitro V and Damasteel raw materials, which Nitro V, one of the materials that I mentioned earlier, and some really high quality materials for their handles. I really love the variety that Town Cutler has, and they also offer a free lifetime sharpening service, which is a really nice perk. And the last brand I want to cover today is Middleton Made Knives. Middleton Made is a one-man shop out of North Charleston, South Carolina, and Quentin Middleton has been at it since 2011. Actually, fun fact, Henry Hyde, who I mentioned earlier, was actually an apprentice to Quentin back in the day before he started his own knife-making shop, which is pretty cool. Quentin Middleton's client list includes some really well-known chefs, and he makes everything from your typical chef knives to more Damascus and Sanmai collections as well. He does some really impressive work, so if you're a professional chef that's looking for an American-made knife or just want something that's truly one of a kind for your kitchen, Quentin Middleton is a great option to check out. Now, I obviously didn't have time to cover every single kitchen knife brand that's made in the USA, but like I said, a link to all of our written research is in the description below for y'all to check out, including some names that I bet you'll recognize and some other specialty ones that are really unique as well. I also include a lot of research on some popular knife brands that a lot of folks typically associate with being American, but are actually doing a lot of their manufacturing overseas. Now, just to name a few, Chicago Cutlery and Coolina are primarily manufacturing in China, and we also looked into a lot of other brands as well. One more that I'll call out is Mercer knives, which a lot of people typically associate with some American manufacturing. I did a full analysis on their entire product inventory and actually only found about 2.2% of all of their product SKUs are actually American made. Everything else made overseas. Again, links to all of that stuff in the description below. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or you want to shout out another great American-made brand. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, and make sure to check out some of our other ones as well. And I'll see y'all in the next one.